Okay, we've sure covered a lot this week. Let's quickly recap what you've learned. We've explored how this program works, the definition of UX design, why UX design is important for consumers and businesses, the different roles within the field of UX, what makes a user experience good or poor, an entry-level UX designer's job responsibilities, how a UX designer works with cross-functional teams, differences in UX design jobs depending on company size and industry, and how to pursue a career in UX design. We've got a lot more exciting topics to come. As you continue through the program, think about the type of job you might be interested in pursuing when you're done. Every new thing you learn here takes you closer to your first role in UX design and closer to landing your dream job. Up next, we'll explore common concepts, tools, and frameworks that UX designers need to know to excel in their careers. Keep up the great work.